Good morning. We thought we'd show you here in our workshop how you put together a Camlock coupler. On the bench here you'll see a 4-inch C, our part number 633C AL40. We'll go ahead and we'll install the gasket. Gaskets can be purchased from us as well as a replacement wear item. Once installed and firmly seated, you'll see him place the arm into the clevis. He starts the pin, one side, then the other. We actually have a fixture, a mandrel that we use to quickly assemble these things. You in the field or in your workshops you can actually use a hammer and some kind of punch press to move it out. But what we'll do now is we use an air hammer and just drive it against these pins, and you are done. We sell replacement parts in kit form that come with all the different size pins, rings, and arms. So in any case when your parts start to wear out, contact us and we can help you extend the life of the coupling. Thank you.